Hi guys, this is Vikas from MATLAB Helper. In this video, let's go through how to design state machine using Stateflow and how to program STM32 microcontroller using Stateflow. Let's get started. If you are watching our video but have not subscribed to our channel, please do it now and support us. Stateflow is a graphical modeling environment that allows you to design and simulate logic based on events, time-based conditions, or external signals. In Stateflow, logic systems are modeled as state machines, which are systems with specific operating modes. Before programming a state machine into STM32 using Stateflow, let's go through what a state machine is. The most popular and commonly found example is traffic lights. At any point of time, a traffic sign has defined state. Typically, it is either has the red light on and the other two lights off, has the yellow light on and the other two lights off, has the green light on and the other two lights off. In state machine terminology, the individual lights are called outputs, and those three scenarios are called state. The traffic sign will change state when it receives an input, typically just an external signal or a timer condition that decides how much time the traffic light should be red, yellow, and green. The external signal or the timer in this case is the input of the system. Now let's start programming a state machine into STM32 using Stateflow. If you are new to programming STM32 using Simulink and I'm Kyle MDK IDE, do watch our previous video on programming STM32 using Simulink, where I have covered generating configuration files in STM32CubeMX, code generation using Embedded Coder, and building the project using I'm Kyle MDK IDE. The link to the video is given in the description. As an example, let's build a traffic light state machine and program the state machine to the STM32. As you can see here, these are the blocks required to program this STM32. So let's go into the Stateflow, and then this is the red state, in the red state, red, yellow, green are the outputs, and red value in the red state is 1 and yellow 0, green 0. Similarly, yellow state and the green state. And the condition that is required to change the state from red state to the yellow state is button. Button equals to 1. When we press the button, the state changes from the red state to the yellow state. And this is the beginning of the state. So now let's set the variables. Go to symbol pane. And then choose these options. Select button as input data, green as output data, red as output data, and yellow as output data. Yeah. Now save these changes and go back to the Simulink and then give connections. Now go to the apps, Embedded Coder, and then build this project. It might take some time. I'm just pausing the video. Build is done, and this is the code report generated by the Embedded Coder. Now let's go to CubeMX and generate the code. Open the project. And build this project. Now before loading this project to the STM32, make sure that the boot 0 pin of your STM32 is toggled to 1 and press the reset button. And also make sure that your ST-Link V2 is connected properly to the STM32 and also to your computer. Now load the project. Now the state machine is flashed into the STM32. Now let's see the working of the state machine on STM32. These are the following connections. Connect the 3 LEDs in the following manner and connect the switch in this manner. Now the traffic light state machine is programmed into the STM32. Let's see the working of it. Power your STM32. Now you can find when I press my button, the state of the traffic light is changing. Thank you for watching our video. Do like this video if you find it helpful. If you have any queries, post them in the comments or get in touch with us. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Education is our future. MATLAB is our future. Happy MATLABing!